Example 2. A gramophone disc rotates at 60 rpm. A coin of mass 0.013 kg is placed at a distance of 0.08 meter from its center. Calculate the centripetal force acting on it. So there was a disc which is rotating about this axis with an angular speed of 60 rpm, 60 revolutions per minute, and there was a coin which is placed on the disc and which is stick to it and which is 0.08 meters far from it. So the coin also rotating along with the gramophone disc. So we need to know what is the centripetal force acting on it. So centripetal force acting on it is equal to mv square by r. So centripetal force is equal to m. V can be written as r omega. So v square can be written as r square omega square by r. So r and square get cancelled. So finally centripetal force is equal to mr omega square. We know mass is 0.013 kg and r is 0.08 and omega is 60 revolution per minute. So mass is given 0.013 kg. So we can write 13 into 10 power minus 3 kg and radius is 0.08 meters, which is nothing but 8 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and omega is 60 revolutions per minute. So let us convert into radians per second. So 2 pi radians per minute means 60 seconds. So it will be 2 pi radians per second. So let us substitute mass, radius and omega in this formula. So what we get? Force is equal to m is 13 into 10 power minus 3, r is 8 into 10 power minus 2 and omega is 2 pi whole square. So what we get? F is equal to 13 into 8, which is 104, into 10 power minus 5 into 4 pi square. So by simplifying, what we get? So F is equal to, by simplifying it, what we get? 4105.7 into 10 power minus 5 newtons, or 4.1 into 10 power minus 2 newtons.